In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a locked Outlook account. If you're encountering issues signing into your Microsoft account because it's locked, don't worry. I've got you covered. We'll go through this step by step to ensure you can regain access swiftly and securely. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is attempt to sign into your Microsoft account. Before you proceed, there are a couple of things to check. Make sure that the caps lock key on your keyboard isn't turned on, as passwords are case sensitive. Double check that you're entering the correct email address associated with your account. It's a simple mistake, but happens more often than you might think. Next, ensure the password you're typing is accurate. These steps might sound basic, but they are crucial in eliminating potential causes for login trouble. Now, if you encounter a message saying that your account has been locked, it's time to unlock it. For this, Microsoft provides a recovery and unlock page specifically designed to help you in such scenarios. Follow the prompt to visit Microsoft's unlock page, where you'll likely need to supply some verification information. Microsoft generally asks for details such as a phone number or an email address where they can send a verification code. Make sure your contact information is up to date. Furthermore, expect to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This is designed to confirm you're not a robot and is a standard security measure. Once you've provided the necessary information, follow the instructions to regain access to your account. If your login attempts are still unsuccessful, it may be time to reset your password. Should this be the case, start by clicking on the Forgot Password link that appears beneath the password entry field. You'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves the same kind of verification via a code sent to your registered phone number or email. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new password. When choosing a new password, it's crucial to opt for one that is strong yet memorable. A strong password typically includes a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Also, make sure your new password is different from any previous passwords you've used to keep your account secure. To wrap things up, remember that securing your account starts with these essential steps and practices. Keeping your contact details current and regularly updating your password can go a long way in preventing such issues in the future. I hope this guide has been valuable for you. As you follow these steps, you'll find that regaining access to your Outlook account can be a seamless process. Thank you for watching, and be sure to look out for more helpful tutorials.